Hello, this is the tour of my guide through Edmodo. First, I opened the document with the agenda, which I proposed both as a synchronous and asynchronous activity. First, you see here the paces that I decided. Introductions, setting up an account and joining a group. Then discussions about designing tech-rich lessons. Another discussion why we should attend the training today. Then some assignments to create your own Edmodo classroom, post a welcome note to the class, and post your first Edmodo assignment, and of course, course evaluation. I will close that. In my Edmodo training group, I created two small groups, week 1 and week 2. But first, in the Edmodo training, the general one, I posted my agenda and a note of welcoming. Then in week 1, I'll go backwards. In week 1, I began by introduction, setting up an account in which I introduced an overview of Google Documents and how to create and edit documents online, and a video tutorial how to create a class or group. Then I inserted a YouTube video about which will generate a whole group discussion about how the ideas expressed in this video challenge and reinforce previously held views you may have had about the use of technology in classroom. And as an assignment, answer in 3-5 sentences and comment on at least one another post. Then the discussion number 2. We'll have some group and whole discussion about why you attend this training and what you hope to obtain, and here people can post their comments. Then as a homework, as an assignment, I introduced this video tutorial. Then I asked to take a screenshot of their class with 2 groups on the topic they chose. Afterwards, I inserted a YouTube video for a whole group discussion about the following question. How do the ideas expressed in the video challenge or reinforce previously held views you may have had about the use of technology? Write your answer in 3 to 5 sentences. And I presented it, I made it due for September the 15th. Okay, in week 2, Edmodo assignment number 1, create your own, in week 2, Edmodo classroom. I inserted a tutorial. Assignment number 2, post a welcome note to your class, and again I inserted a tutorial. Another assignment, post a welcome, also in this number 2 assignment, a welcome note to your class. And number 3, post your first Edmodo assignment. And again, I said that we'll discuss about how you can integrate technology into your assignments, how this can be a powerful tool for differentiation and individualization. Again, I inserted a tutorial. And the last one, as a note of saying goodbye and evaluating. Here I think I'll insert a quiz, but later on. As regards assignments, the post welcome notes due to September the 1st. Okay, the folders here, it's in the general class. I have inserted all the folders, additional Edmodo features, Edmodo training resources, and digital tools. As members of this group is me as an owner, and I have a student, but I also can send invites to other teachers. I have already sent, but teachers who are already on this. I already have some emails. Some teachers here, and I will invite them. By email, I will send an invitation by email. Okay, the class is called Getting Started with Edmodo, Unlocking the Power of a Social Learning Network. The posts are already seen. As assignments, you have seen that I posted all the assignments here in week 2, in the mini groups, in the small groups I have them, the video tutorials, and I asked them to write their answers in 3-5 sentences and to turn them in, how to create a class with 2 groups and take a screenshot of the class. The video tutorial about flipped classroom with Edmodo, and again an answer in 3-5 sentences, and post it and comment on at least one another post. And the assignments for week 2. Posting welcome notes. Posting first Edmodo assignment using tutorials. And how to make an Edmodo classroom. I'll get back. I don't have any quizzes or any polls, but I intend to put them in. Progress made. Let's see. I don't have yet. But as they aren't turned in, I cannot make them. I can make badges. I have one as Star Performer awarded to Anka Avram. I can get back. To my Edmodo training class. That would be my mini tour of my Edmodo class. Thank you and goodbye.